This is a 2 transistor amplifier circuit board. 2 transistor amplifier circuit board. Here I use 2sc5200 and 2sa1943. We can see here need dual voltage, positive, ground and negative voltage. This one positive voltage, ground voltage and negative voltage. And we can use 12 voltage to 24 voltage, 12 voltage to 24 voltage ampere, 3 to 5 ampere. The power output will be 80 watt. This is the audio input. Power output 80 watt using that voltage. That looks nice. This is the speaker output. This is the speaker output. Speaker output. This is the output, and this is the ground voltage. And here you can see that 2sc5200 positive transistor. This one collector, emitter. This one is the base, positive transistor. This one is the negative transistor, 2sc1943. This one is the base. This one base. This one collector. And this is the emitter. Now this is negative transistor, TTA and 2sa same transistor. And this one is TTC 5200 positive transistor. Here will be this two transistor. Now I am going to use this heatsink. I am using this two heatsink. Must use a good quality heatsink. And always use the thermal paste. I am using thermal paste here. This side is for positive side. 2sc5200 TTC same. C is the positive transistor and A is the negative transistor. Another one is that. This is the another one. This one is the negative transistor. This one is the negative transistor. And I already fix the transistor. Here. Now I am going to fix it. Now I am fixing it. Need to displace the leg. This circuit can make 80 watt. If you want this type of circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There have the link for the circuit diagram. Now I am going to soldering this transistor with the circuit. Soldering nicely. This circuit has two-side print. We can use any type of positive and negative transistor, no problem. Here we can use maximum AC voltage 24 and the ampere is maximum 5 ampere. Okay, now need the voltage. I am using this very old transformer. This one is very old, grandfather. It's a grandfather. Very old transformer. I am using this one. This is AC 220 voltage. This is AC 220 voltage. Now I am plugging. I'm going to plug in. Now how many voltages are here? I'm going to check. DC voltage is 21, negative 21. This one is 21, the 21 DC voltage. This is very low voltage for this circuit, but I am going to using for test, no problem. But we can use maximum DC voltage 40 in this circuit. Maximum 40. This white wire is the ground voltage. This is the ground voltage. This is ground voltage. This is positive voltage. And this is the negative voltage. Black one is the negative voltage. This has charge. I am discharging. Okay, here we can see the positive. This is the positive connector, ground, and the negative. This is the red one is the wait. This okay, red one is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage, and this white one is the ground voltage. This is the ground voltage, and last one is the negative voltage, the black wire. This is the negative voltage. This is negative voltage. Now the voltage connection ready. Here we can see one PF is missing. It's not so important PF, but neat. I'm going to use the PF. Wait for a while. This is 333. Here we can see I bring on PF 333J 333J 333J. Now I'm going to fix this circuit. Going to fix this PF with the circuit. Okay. This circuit can make 80 watt maximum. I am using how many watt transformer? This is 20 voltage. If this one is 5 ampere, then 100 watt. This circuit can make 100 watt. I know that, because the transistor are one pair transistor can make 150 watt. And here also use the driver transistor also good, and the main transistor also good. The driver section run with 35 voltage maximum. I am going to use this speaker, my testing speaker. Everybody know that speaker. I always use this speaker to check the amplifier. This is my testing speaker, checking speaker. This speaker is very strong speaker. Always everywhere I use. I check delta, mini amplifier, clarity, everything, every amplifier I check using this speaker. But it's still working until maybe 3 years ready. I'm using this speaker. Now this is speaker output. This is the ground voltage for the speaker. And this is the main output. Again, I am telling that if you want the amplifier circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There have lots of amplifier diagram like this. Now I am going to check. Okay, I am plugging. It's where is our input? This one is the input. Look, it's working. Wow, lots of watt. Oh, it's working nice, very nice. It's working just wow. Yes, now I'm going to input audio. I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. Sorry for that. I cannot play the song for the YouTube copyright issue. This is the ground for the input. This is the input, audio input. These are need to change. I'm going to another one. Work nicely. Sometimes I try to work nicely. Okay, input ready. Now I am going to play the song. This is the input. I'm using one mobile. Okay, I'm plugging again. Off, it's nice sound. This is the volume. It's working well. If you want this type of amplifier circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There have the circuit diagram. Thank you for watching. I cannot play the song for the YouTube copyright issue. I am so sorry for that. It's nice sound. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.